straight stitch needle plate and foot sewing sheer fabrics. You can sew beautiful pucker-free seams on silky and sheer fabrics with your Memory Craft 11000 using the straight stitch needle plate and foot. The straight stitch needle plate has a smaller needle hole to better support lightweight fabric. The straight stitch foot has a single needle hole, and the bottom of the foot is completely flat to hold the fabric firmly against the feed dogs. To use this set, you must first remove the needle plate on your Memory Craft 11000. Make sure there's no foot on the machine. Then remove the 2 screws that hold on the needle plate. Take off the bobbin cover. Lift out the needle plate. Set the straight stitch needle plate in place. Replace the 2 screws. Replace the bobbin cover. Snap on the straight stitch foot. Select stitch number 1 and choose center needle position. Position your fabric, using the guidelines on the plate to set your seam allowance. And sew. You end up with a beautiful stitch on your silky fabric.